Now we're going to look at we're going to look at how to make some Igbo expressions. But there are some expressions that we don't know how to make in Igbo, which I would like to share with us. The first one is isi na awam. I have headache. Headache. Isi na awam. Or afọ na arum. Afọ na arum means I have stomach upsets. Aka na ebu m mgbu. My hand is paining me, or my hand aches. Ụkwụ na ebu m mgbu. My leg aches, or my leg is paining me. Ntị na ata m. My ear is biting me. Ear is biting me. Olu na ebu m mgbu. Neck is paining me. Anya na afụ m ụfụ. My eye is paining me. Iwe na ewe m. I am angry. Obi aṅụrị dị m, or obi dị m ụtọ. I am happy. Ana m ebe akwa. I am crying. Ana m eche echiche. I am thinking. Ahụ dị m mma. I am healthy. So, these are few expressions in Igbo which I'd like you to learn. Daalụ.